Hello, my beloved people all over the world. Welcome to Twin Mommy TV. I just want you guys to see my tomatoes. Look at this one is ready. These tomatoes are ready. Oh my goodness, look at them. Okay, I just planted just few of them. I planted few tomatoes, and these ones, look at, they are doing well. But you know, when it gets hot, you see the leaves, they've started changing. I don't know what that is, but I thank God that I'm able to get some tomatoes already. Okay, so look at tomatoes. Yeah, look at tomatoes. Because sometimes, like for the past 2 years, I've been having a lot of problem with the tomatoes. So that's why, I didn't plant a lot of tomatoes. So, but these ones that I planted, guess what? I have, success on this one. Okay, so yeah. So before this one go, diseased or whatever it is, I'm going to see something to bring out. Okay, so this one is a very good one too. Look at, I have a lot of them inside. Look at, but they are not ripe yet. See them? So they are looking good. Okay, so I just planted very few, and so look at them. Look at, they are inside. Okay, so yeah. So I have a lot of flowers coming up. A lot of flowers. Look at some of them that, they are doing well. You see, they are doing well. See that? I have tomatoes coming up. Yeah. Because of the disease, I said, oh no, there's one here. Okay, so I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just four tomatoes plant. And let me see. I think I have just one other one that, I didn't even know it's going to make it. I just put it right here. So I don't know. I didn't know if it's going to make it. Okay. All right. I have it in this container. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah. So these are the only tomatoes that are planted. All right. Yeah. So they are doing well. I just got tired of my tomatoes, getting diseased, and I used to have a lot of problem with them. I said, I'm going to plant less. And guess what? It worked. And what happened is that these ones, I just went to Home Depot. Yeah, I think they were Home Depot. I just went to Home Depot and bought them. Because, I told you about, the problem I've been having or I've had with the ones that I planted with seed. They are not true to what they said. The vendor will say, they will sell big beef tomatoes for you, but when it grows, it's cherry tomatoes. Okay, this is the only one that is that I planted with seed, and the other one that in that bucket. So this one is the only one. I think this one is it horse heart tomatoes. Yeah. So these are ones I planted, through seed. So I don't know whether that's what it's going to be, but for these ones, I just picked them up because, like I told you guys, I've been so busy, so I didn't have time to, worry about the seeds not true to what they said. Okay, I think this one is getting ready to ripen. Yeah, some inside. Yeah, they are inside. All right. Yeah. So I planted 2 from seed. Then these ones I bought them seedlings. Okay, guys. All right. Yeah. So maybe next year, when I plant again, I will do seeds. But look, I just got tired of them. If you look at my videos, I told you guys how I planted so many peppers. I bought over 130 something peppers. Guess what? They just lied to me. They were not the peppers that they said they were. So I don't really trust them. So this year I planted the peppers that from my saved seed. Yeah, that's what I planted. Yes, my saved seed. Then I took I took this one and that one, you know, I got them as seedlings, but the rest of them, you know, I planted them from the peppers that I planted last year. Like all these are my saved seeds. You know, all these peppers here, they are my saved seeds. Okay. This is the tomato that I planted, you know, from seed. All right. So my peppers, all these peppers, I planted them, you know, from my saved seeds. Okay. So when they come out, then you will know. I didn't even label them. I didn't have time to label them. Okay. All these peppers, you see peppers here, yeah, from my saved seeds. All these peppers. This one is pepper. Okay. Peppers from my saved seeds. The peppers of last year. Okay. So yeah, all over. This is just some pepper. Even on the other side, these ones are peppers. Peppers. Yeah. These are from my the peppers I planted last year. So all this. So when they come out, I'll do another video to show you my pepper. Yeah. All this one on this what is it called now? Green stalk vertical planter. Yeah. Those were the peppers that I planted from last year. Yeah, this one looks like you know, habanero. This one is another a green stalk vertical planter. I always plant. I've been planting this, you know, my peppers in these two planters for years now, and they always come up very beautifully. They come out beautifully. They grow very well. I'm always pleased with it. Okay, all these peppers, yeah, peppers that I got from I planted from my, you know, this pepper, this another pepper, this another pepper. Okay, from my seeds that I saved. Peppers. So I'm going to have to move that pepper because it's not doing well. Yeah, I'm going to have to move it. Okay, yeah, this one pepper. All right, from you know, from my the plant that I planted, the seeds that I saved from last year. All right, guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, my tomatoes, and I showed you. I started talking about my peppers. Okay, guys. So next time I'll give you guys a better tour. Okay. All right. Don't forget thumbs up. Twin Mommy has been so busy, so I've left my garden, you know, for a long time. All I do is that, you know, every other day I will just water and just run away. Didn't have time. I've not had time to tend to my garden. But I thank God that things are, you know, doing well. You know, so I thank God for that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you always. Shalom.